Hello, everyone. Welcome to Jodoo. In this video, we'll introduce preceding rules in Jodoo and explain how to configure them when multiple approvers exist at the same node. Currently, there are two preceding rules for workflow forms. All approvers submit and one approver submits. Each setting leads to different outcomes. When set to all approvers submit, the workflow will not proceed to the next node until all other approvers submit their reviews. Conversely, if you choose one approver submits, the workflow moves to the next node as soon as any one approver submits their review. Let's get a more specific tutorial. To begin with, a workflow form is prerequisite. Here we take the leave application form as an example. Click Edit, go to Workflow, click the Approval node. In Node Properties, Node Approver section, we can see there are two approvers in this node, Erica and Leah. Then we come to preceding rules when there are multiple approvers. The default setting is all approvers submit. This means that the workflow will not move to the end node until Erica and Leah all submit their reviews. Okay, let's save and enable this workflow to see how it works. We go back to the data submitting page and submit a record. After submission, you can see there is a pending task in My Tasks. Click it and submit our review. You can see that this workflow is still in progress because we still need Leah's approval. So let's switch to Leah's workspace to process it. This task, we submit it. Now we can see this workflow is completed, for all approvers have submitted their reviews. Then let's take a look at one approver submits. The setup is similar to before. The only difference is to select one approver submits here. Save and let's have a test. We submit another record. Go to My Tasks to process it. Then we can see that the workflow is completed for Erica has submitted the review. So that's all about setting preceding rules when multiple approvers exist at the same node in Jodoo. If you find this video helpful, give a thumbs up. Subscribe for more tutorials. And leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.